Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. And today I'm going to show you something really useful in Google Sheets. Did you know you can see the history of a single cell? Most people know you can go up to File, Version History, See Version History, to view changes for the entire sheet. But what if you only want to see what happened in one specific cell? Let me show you how. Let's say we want to see the history of cell A1. All you have to do is right-click the cell, or Control-click if you're on a Mac. Then scroll down and click Show Edit History. That's it. Now you'll see exactly who edited the cell, what they changed, and when they changed it. You can click the little arrow to move through previous edits. For example, maybe we see it originally said hello, then it was changed to good day, then it was changed to good night, and maybe that was deleted entirely. You can step backward through each edit and see the full history of that one cell. This is incredibly helpful when you're collaborating and wondering, who changed this? Or, what did this used to say? Another example. Let's try another one. Right-click or Control-click on a Mac on a different cell. Scroll down to Show Edit History. Now maybe we see something like, it used to say Sale Ongoing. Then someone replaced it with Sale Ended. You'll see the name of the editor, the timestamp, the exact change that was made. If someone added a note or made a revision, you'll see that too. This is such a powerful collaboration feature inside Google Sheets. You don't have to dig through full version history. You can zoom in on exactly one cell. You're watching Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video next and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, and how-tos so you can get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos for you. Drop your questions in the comments. I might answer them in a future video. And one of these videos on your screen right now might just be your next Google Sheets breakthrough.